Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. You will get all the latest updates about every jobs in my channel, and I will post latest news of every job for all sector like government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs also. Stay tuned with my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get latest news. Today I am going to discuss about notifications from Bureau of Indian Standards. They have published their notification for the post of Group A, Group B and Group C, and nearly the post vacancies are 171 posts, and the last date of this application is 26 September. So watch this video till end. I will give detailed description how to fill the form, how to apply for this job in this video. Watch the video till end and subscribe my channel for getting latest updates from our channel. And if you have come first time in my channel, if you think it is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe it. So let's jump into this video. So you can see Bureau of Indian Standards have published their notification for the post of Assistant Director, Assistant Section Officer, Personal Assistant, Junior Translator, Library Assistant, Stenographer, Senior Secretariat Assistant, Junior Secretariat Assistants in Group A, Group B, Group C category. Nearly 171 vacancies are there, and the qualification they are asking for bachelor degree, LLB, CA or master degree. So I will give the notification link in my description box. You can go through the notification from there, and you can see the last date of the notification is 26 September till 6 p.m. So you can see that experience needed is freshers or experienced candidate can as well as apply for this job, and the job location is for across India, 171 posts, and the important dates are given here. Registration of application start from 5th September to 26th September. Application fee payment have been done within these dates, 5th September to 26th September. Issue of admit card will be done on 20th October, tentative date it is, and online examination will be held on 8th November 2020. It is also a tentative date, and the application fee is given here for Assistant Director post and Assistant Director Marketing, Consumer Affairs and Assistant Director for Library. For all of these Assistant Director post you need to fill and pay rupees 800, and for all others post you need to pay only 500 rupees. So no fee would be taken from SC, STs and women candidates. So it is a huge opportunity for the women candidate also, and the mode of payment is online system. So you can see maximum age limit is 35 years, and all the required years of age is given here for the different posts, and the relaxation is also given here. You can see the post wise vacancies here. So for Assistant Director 2, Group B Assistant Section Officer is 17 posts, Group C Library Assistant 1, Senior Secretary and Assistant 79 posts. So you can see degree in law is the educational qualification for the Group A post Assistant Director, and 3 years of experience is needed. And for the Assistant Director Marketing and Consumer you need to have a Master of Business Administrator in Marketing Department or any Mass Communication Master degree, or postgraduate can also apply. Group B for the post bachelor degree for any recognized university can apply for this job. Assistant Section Officer or Personal Assistant or Stenographer need to have computer proficiency test. And for the Junior Translator Hindi they are also asking for master degree postgraduate in recognized university in Hindi with English as a subject also. For Group C Library Assistant, graduate with diploma in library science can apply. You can go through the all educational qualification is given in this notification. So how the examination will be conducted for the post Assistant Director, Assistant Director Marketing, Consumer and Library, the examination will be held on General Intelligence. The number of question will be 40, English 40, Quantitative Aptitude 20. For Assistant Director Finance, Domain Knowledge. For each and every sector there is some domain knowledge questions answers, and the number will be 50, and all total number of questions will be 150, and total time will be given 120 minutes. So for the post of Assistant Section Officer, Personal Assistant, Stenographer, the General intelligence question will be 50, awareness is 25, quantitative aptitude is 25, English is 50, all total 150 questions and 120 minutes total. So junior translator and library assistant, same number of questions will be 150 and total time will be 120 minutes. So you need to click on this apply link from here. You will be redirected to the official website of the BIS. So I am clicking once again here. So it is redirecting to the page of BIS career page. From there you will be able to apply for the job. Yeah, so you can see the recruitment notification is also given here, and you can go through the detailed advertisement from it here and click here to apply online. After clicking on apply online, the application form will be reopened to you. Then from it there you need to fill your details and then you need to submit your application. Yeah, so the page has been opened now. So start date is 5th September and end date is 26th September. As a new candidate you need to register first. If you are already registered, then you need to log in first, and there are some pre-instructions are given there. Before filling up the form, the candidate must go through this advertisement detailedly, and also the date of determination of eligibility criteria. You must fulfill the eligibility criteria also. All this notification you just go through it and then click on register. After clicking on register, the registration form will be open to you. Then you need to give the post you are applying for. Like I am giving library assistant, then I need to give my full name here. Then I need to give the father's name, mother's name, gender, marital status, category, religion, if I am being to minority or not, BIS employee previously or not, PWD category or not. These things all are star marked. Are you a citizen of India? You need to fulfill that. Date of birth, and you need to give your email address, confirm email address and phone number, and you need to give the captcha code here. After that you need to give it I carefully read this notification, then submit and continue. After that the registration number will be given to you through your mail ID. Then using that registration number you can directly fill the educational qualification detail and apply for the job. So if you got selected from the notification from the application, so then you will be got the admit also. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for your support. If you subscribe my channel, if you like it, please hit the bell icon button so that it is helpful to you. So that's it. Have a great day. Goodbye.